what's been added on, a bunch of stuff. A lot of peppers, a couple of long slim, everything that should be moving into position for the trellises will probably be moving into there tomorrow. The Roma goes, then the long beans in the 5-gallon pot go up. The long beans over here will probably get their structure within the week. Don't know how I'm going to do that. These guys are popping peppers already. I don't even know what they are. I think it's a chili pepper. Got the lavender hibiscus with some beautiful new growth. We have been spraying anything with a pottery mildew with a milk solution, and so far it's kind of working. Basil is like mental, like seriously. This guy's almost 2 foot level. This is the one kabocha that sprouted from the seedling flat. Strawberries, everbearing, are getting bigger leaf. And that PIKAKE. And if I could just get you some smell-o-vision here, you, oh, so fragrant. Yeah, and I'm serious. Dozens more on the way. Serious bolting happening with the Thai basil in this pot. Good thing I've got 2 more in the nursery. And butterfly lily ginger. Well, you're kind of getting out of hand. Not sure what I'm going to do with you. Considering putting you over yonder where the sweet potatoes go, more than likely I'm just going to spin you around to target your growth. Dark green leaves and the Hawaiian chili pepper. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow, seriously though. Great foliage. Nitrogen really helped. Oh, 2 damn adorable. The jewels of Opar are jeweling. They look like tiny little ladybugs on the end over there. That's a pair of seed swap grapevines. Kudos to Di. Good job at this. That's a beautiful plant. Probably should get you out of the 12-ounce Heineken cup. Let's actually take a look at that. Oh man, look at those roots. Great development. Yeah, you deserve a pot. I'll take care of you, Jewel. Jules. And sadly, the 3 rehab peppers, not so good. Really, really bad. And hey, kind of promising. New growth. So if this were baseball, I'm batting 300, but it's not. And you guys, well, you might get kicked out of the game and you might be sent to the minors. Got a huge bloom from our millionaire eggplant. I'll take a electronic toothbrush to you tomorrow. And even Black Beauty seems to be perking up quite a bit. So that, and along with, I would actually call it new record growth from our Filipino eggplant. Look at these guys. That's about a foot long. I mean, yeah, that's a good 30% longer, bigger, more significant than our previous guys. A lot of new growth on the MAHALO. So whatever we're doing, we're gonna try to keep it up. And there's a hole, like a huge one. This really coy leaf. We did have one born this past week, and well, not born, but go to butterfly, and we got one more on the outside. Go take a peek. Swing out over there. Let's go. Sunny day, chasing the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? How to Get to Sesame Street. What happened, we had an overnight storm, and this, the healthiest, realistically, of the 2 cherries, and possibly of the 6 tomatoes, was bent over in half. And if you take a look over here, you can see where it didn't cut, but it seriously was wounded. I braced it, wrapped it up with some ribbon, and it's been 2 days now. So far so good. I've actually seen more blossoms, and the one thing I was really worried about was bugs being attracted to the wound, but I did some jerry rig and put a little bandage on it, aka cellophane, plastic wrap, whatever. So far so good. A ton of potential blossoms here for the grape tomato, secondary and primary. So we'll see where this goes. Actually, that's secondary too. So 2 secondaries ready for the first burst, and the primary is still kind of going good. Showed it to you last time, but it's worth looking at it again. Secondary growth on sun sugar, a lot of blossoms, starting to pop. I gotta keep clipping these suckers. It's a lot of blossoms, but yet we still have a ton of fruit happening realistically above the rim, because that's past, we're right about at the 10-foot mark. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grow points for this Whopper, but I don't know, man. Do I keep feeding the beast? Roma's definitely done. Single grow point, half of it is dry. Taking a look here, decoy for any Gulf fritillaries. Is that one? No, that's not one. Okay. And again, a closer look at the long ass Filipinos. It's like that next gen Filipino. You know, your cousins are all short, but then you have that one younger cousin that's like crazy tall. He drank a lot of milk growing up. Well, that's what we have here on this eggplant. Avocado getting invaded by decoy. I gotta do something about that. That's never a good thing. But overall, there's harmony in the garden. Again, leaving you with the warmest alohas. Hope everybody is at home safe. Notice that a lot of stuff are sold out at Depot and Lowe's. And everybody else seems to be getting into the garden swing of things. Well, that's where we are at week 3 here in the garden. Taking a peek both from the inside and out. Hang in there. As always, stay safe, stay at home, and stay tuned for our next video.